Hello everyone and welcome to another Maths tutorial video. Now I'll be discussing Form 5 Additional Mathematics Chapter 6 Permutations and Combinations question part 2. Okay, in this video I'm going to discuss one question consists of permutation and one question of combinations, guys. Okay, before that, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon for more upcoming mathematics tutorial videos in the future. Alright, let me read the question example 3 now. 4 boys and 3 girls are to be seated in a row. Calculate the number of possible arrangements. If all the 3 girls have to sit together, a girl has to be seated at the center. Okay, these are the two respective conditions from the given question. Okay, I hope you will attempt this question in the future, guys. If you could manage to solve this question, well done. But if you can't solve this question, no worries. I'm going to show you the step-by-step working and the solutions now. Okay, let us start to go for the solution. Okay, the main step in this question is you need to identify the condition, guys. So in this case, the condition is the 3 girls have to be seated together. Okay, when the 3 girls have to be seated together, okay, first of all, you need to know how many total number of people over there. So there are 4 boys and 3 girls. So when you sum them up, you have 7 people in a total. So the first of all, what you need to do, you need to draw the 7th space over here, where the first 3 seats is occupied by girl 1, girl 2, girl 3, assuming, guys, so the girl 1, girl 2, girl 3 respectively, and the remaining 4 seats over here is being occupied by boy 1, boy 2, boy 3, boy 4 respectively. Okay, this is just an assumption, guys. In a real life, we don't know the actual arrangement, so we're just writing here our own assumption. Okay, so this girl 1, girl 2, girl 3, since the condition is imposed on them, okay, they have 5 sets of different seatings, guys, which is the girl 1, girl 2, girl 3, they are sitting in the first 3 rows, and then girl 1, girl 2, girl 3, they will be sitting in the subsequent seatings, and then up to 5 different seatings, guys. So why is it 5 seatings? Okay, I'm going to show it to you at the later explanation, so please hold on. Okay, let us look at the permutation among themselves. So girl 1, girl 2, girl 3, they have to permutate among themselves, guys. So for example, the girl 2 will be sitting in the front and the girl 2 can also sitting at the back. Okay, since there are 3 girls over here, they have 3 factorial. So 3 factorial, so you have 6 possible arrangements within the girl itself, guys. Okay, and then I have mentioned to you that there are 5 sets of seatings within the girls. So 5 times 3 factorial. So you will have a calculation for the girls. And this one is the arrangement for the boys. So since the boys, there are no condition applied. I mean, there are no restriction imposed on them. So there are 4 factorial of arrangements on them. So to calculate the both arrangements, so 5 times 3 factorial, you times with the 4 factorial over here. So equals to 5 times 3 factorial times with 4 factorial. So you get 30 times 24. And from here you get your answer 720. Okay, you get the answer. Alright, but I still haven't answered your question. So why is 5 over here? Why there are 5 sets of arrangement within the 3 girls? Okay, I'm going to show it to you. This diagram. Okay, so this is what I meant, guys. As you see, the 3 girls have their own sets of sitting. So girl 1, girl 2, girl 3, they'll be occupying the seat 1, seat 2, seat 3. And then girl 1, girl 2, girl 3, they'll be occupying the seat 2, seat 3, and seat 4. And the girl 1, girl 2, girl 3 will occupy the seat 3, seat 4, seat 5. And then following by seat 4, seat 5, seat 6. And then seat 5, seat 6, and seat 7, which is the last seats. Okay, when you calculate the set of arrangement, you have 5 different type of seatings. And within these seatings, they have their own permutation itself, which is 3 factorial. So that is the reason why I times 5 with 3 factorial, guys. Okay, so I hope you understand this concept over here. Okay, so this is for question part A. Okay, I'm going to discuss the question part B in the next page, so please hold on for a moment. Okay, in this question, they ask us to calculate the condition where the one girl have to sit at the middle. So we need to calculate the number of possible arrangement. Okay, so how many girls that we have in the question? So we have three type of girls, guys. Girl 1, girl 2 and girl 3. Okay, the seatings are still the same, so you still have 7 seats. So you draw 7 space over here, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So the fourth seat is considered the middle over here. So you'll be placing your girl 1, girl 2, girl 3 at the middle over here. So you'll have 3 possible cases. So where the case 1 where your girl 1 will be sitting at the middle, case 2 where your girl 2 will be sitting at the middle, and the case 3 where your girl 3 will be sitting at the middle. Okay, whereas for the remaining 6 seats, there is no conditions apply on them. I mean, there is no restriction imposed. Okay, let's say if the girl 1 is sitting at the middle over here, from the 7, so you left only 6. So the remaining 2 girls and the 4 boys, they can literally sit anywhere within the seats allocated except by the middle seats. Okay, so that's the reason you have 6 factorial over here. The middle seat, since it's already occupied, so you only have one possibilities, which is 1 over here. And then you have to times with the 6 factorials. Okay, that is for one set of arrangement, guys. Since you have 3 sets of arrangement where you have the girl 1, girl 2 and girl 3, so you need to times with 3. Okay, still don't get it. I'm going to show it to you the working here. So the number of possible arrangement is equals to 1 times 6 factorial. Okay, since 1 stands for the girl which are sitting in the middle, and times with the 6 factorial, which is the remaining people, where the 2 girls and 4 boys, and then you times with 3 over here. Okay, and then equals to 720 times with 3. So this is 720 for the separate cases, guys, case 1, case 2 and case 3. So when you times them together, so you'll get your answer 2160. So these are the number of possible arrangement. Okay, so I hope you understand this problem. All right, in the next question, I'm going to discuss one of the combinations question, guys. So please hold on for a moment. Okay, let's start to read the example 4. How many ways can a man choose 3 different servings of food from nasi lemak, laksa, prawn noodles, roti canai, pizza, mee rebus and spaghetti? Okay, in this case, okay, even though I've already informed you that we are going to do a combination question, still ask yourself whether the question asks you a permutation or combination. Okay, in this case, the question asks for a combination question, guys. Okay, how do you know this combination? Okay, look for the keyword arrangement. Is there any keyword arrangement over here? No. Okay, since there is no keyword arrangement over here, so you should automatically register in your mind that they are asking for a combination question, guys. Since combination, the arrangement doesn't matter. It's not taking place. Okay. So let's start to go for a solution. So the first thing is you need to identify the number of food over here, guys. So nasi lemak, laksa, prawn noodles, roti canai, pizza, mee rebus and spaghetti. Okay, so you have 7 types of food over here, but then a man can only choose 3 different servings from the respective food. Okay, if a man choose 3 servings from the 7 food, okay, from the 7 food you are choosing 3, guys. Okay, so this will be a working. So from the 7 you choose 3. Okay, so you press in your calculator, you should get your answer 35 possible combinations over here. Alright, so I hope you get the understanding from this question, guys. So this is the difference between a combination and permutation over here. Okay, that is all for my step-by-step working and solution for this question. Any question or feedback, feel free to put in the comment section. And before that, tell me your feedback, guys. How do you find out this question? Is this question easy or difficult? And most important thing, could you solve these two questions? If you like this video, please give a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon for more upcoming mathematics tutorial videos in the future. Alright guys, thank you everyone for your support, and I'll see you in the next video.